Number 476. By which amendment section 304B of IPC relating to dowry death was inserted? Options are Criminal Law Amendment Act 1985, Criminal Law Amendment Act 1986, Criminal Law Amendment Act 1987 or Criminal Law Amendment Act 1988. Here the correct answer is option B, that is Criminal Law Amendment Act 1986. Question number 477. Wife of A committed suicide after 2 years of her marriage, and before her death she was subjected to cruelty and harassment by A and his parents for demand of dowry. A and his parents has committed the offence of, correct answer is option D, that is section 304B of IPC. Question number 478. Abetment of suicide of child is punishable under section 306, 305, 309, 109. Correct answer is option B, that is under section 305 of IPC, abetment of suicide of child is punishable. Question number 479. Which one of the following section of IPC relates to punishment for abetment to commit suicide? Options are section 306, 307, 308, 309. Correct answer is section 306. Question number 480. To convict a person for offence under section 306 IPC, ingredient of section 107 are to be proved, ingredient of section 107 IPC are not to be proved, mere cruelty is sufficient, none of these. Correct answer is option A, that is ingredient of section 107 IPC are to be proved. Question number 481. Point out the case where actual commission of an offence cannot be punished. Options are theft, attempt to theft, suicide, none of the above. Correct answer is suicide, because in suicide he cannot be punished. So correct answer is suicide. Question number 482. Which section of IPC provides for punishment for attempt to commit suicide? Options are section 306, 307, 309, 376. Correct answer is option C, that is section 309. Question number 483. Attempts to commit suicide is triable by court of session, magistrate of first class, any magistrate, executive magistrate. Correct answer is option C, that is any magistrate. Question number 484. The case of Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab is related to murder, culpable homicide, abetment of suicide, attempt to commit suicide. Correct answer is option D, that is attempt to commit suicide. Question number 485. Right to a life with human dignity does not include right to terminate natural life was held in P. Ratnam versus Union of India, Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab, Rajendra Prasad versus State of UP, Machi Singh versus State of Punjab. Here the correct answer is option B, that is Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. Question number 486. Which among the following is not an offence? Suicide, murder, preparation to dacoity, attempt to murder. Attempt to murder is also an offence, murder is offence, preparation to dacoity is offence mentioned in IPC. Suicide is not an offence because naturally the person who has committed a suicide will not be there to be punished. So option A is the correct answer. Now question 487. The term thug has been defined in which of the following section of IPC? It's very easy question. Section 310, thug has been defined. Question number 488. Acts with the intention to cause miscarriage administered a drug to pregnant lady. Why? The child in the womb died. X is guilty of murder, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, no offence, causing miscarriage. Correct answer is option D, that is causing miscarriage. Question number 489. A administers poisonous drug to a woman, B to cause miscarriage. It is found that B was not pregnant. In this case, A is guilty of attempt to cause miscarriage, A is guilty of attempt to cause miscarriage, A is guilty of murder, A is guilty of no offence. Correct answer is option B, that is A is guilty of attempt to cause miscarriage. Question number 490. A, claiming to be a family planning expert, gave X some chemical. After consuming the chemical, the child in the womb of X died in the womb. A has committed no offence, offence of murder, offence of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, offence of causing miscarriage. Correct answer is option D, that is offence of causing miscarriage. Question number 491. A, with the intention of causing death of a child, B, who is below 12 years, exposes him in a desert place where A will be liable under which section of IPC? Options are section 317, 307, 304, 511. Correct answer is option A, that is section 317. Question number 492. Section 317 of IPC punishes the offence of exposure and abandonment of child under 12 years by parent or person having care. That is section 304 of IPC provides for punishment for the offence of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. A exposes her child with the knowledge that she is thereby likely to cause its death. The child dies in consequence of such exposure. In such circumstances, A may be charged with and convicted of the offence under section 304 of IPC, charged with and convicted of the offence under section 317 and 304 of IPC, charged with and convicted of the offence under section 317 of IPC, charged with the offence under section 317 and 304 of the IPC, but convicted only for the offence under section 304. In question number 492, Option B will be the correct answer, that is charged with the convicted of the offence under section 317 and 304 of the IPC. Question number 493. Hurt as defined in section 319 of the IPC is causing of the following to any person: bodily pain, disease, infirmity. All the options are correct, therefore D is the right answer. Question number 494. A prostitute suffering from a communicable disease has sexual intercourse with a man representing that she was free from any disease, commits unnatural offence, cheating, hurt, mischief. Correct answer is option B, that is hurt. Question number 495. A attacks B to disfigure his face permanently. A could not do so but causes B severe bodily pain for 10 days. A commits the offence of attempt to murder, voluntarily causing hurt, voluntarily causing grievous hurt, simple hurt. Correct answer is option B, that is voluntarily causing hurt. Question number 496. The offence of grievous hurt has been defined in, correct answer is section 320. The offence of grievous hurt has been defined in section 320 of IPC. Question number 497. How many kinds of hurt are included in grievous hurt under section 320 of the IPC? Correct answer is option D, that is 8. Question number 499. Any hurt is grievous hurt if it causes the sufferer to be in severe bodily pain or unable to follow his ordinary pursuits during the space of 15 days, 20 days, 25 days, 30 days. Correct answer is option B, that is 20 days. For 20 days, if a person is hurt or it causes to suffer severe bodily pain or unable to follow ordinary pursuits, it will come into the category of grievous hurt. Question number 500. A has knocked down 4 teeth of B. A has committed the offence of attempt to cause hurt, causing grievous hurt, attempt to murder. Correct answer is option C, that is causing grievous hurt.